and highlighting it to happen to live in the chance as for a certain purpose update.
Are Bitcoin ETFs in trouble?
The Bitcoin price has been on a tear, been claiming the $66,000 mark. But what's happening with Bitcoin ETFs? Despite the impressive price climb, Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds have seen a continuous 4-day streak of net outflows totaling $93.85 million. On GBTC, the largest Bitcoin ETF, has experienced a significant outflow of $358 million, resulting in a historical net outflow of $13.63 billion. Other ETFs such as Fidelity's FBTC ARK Invest Spot Bitcoin ETF have seen average inflows of $141.5 million and $49 million respectively. However, Bitwise's BITB has accumulated $30.7 million on average, with a modest $12 million in inflows yesterday. Across the board, all spot Bitcoin ETFs, including GBTC, have recorded an average of approximately $230 million in daily inflows since January 11th. But what's causing the outflows? CryptoQuant Met CEO Ki-Young Ju provided insights stating Bitcoin spot ETF net flows are slowing. Demand may rebound if the BTC price approaches critical support levels. New whales, mainly ETF buyers, have a $56,000 on-chain cost basis. Corrections typically entail a max drawdown of around 30% in bull markets, with a max pain of $51K. At the fact that the crypto analyst Whale Panda highlighted the trend, noting yesterday's ETF flows, another negative day, that's 4 in a row. Honestly surprised by how big the outflows are from GBTC. Another $358.8 million, and that makes a total of $1.83 billion in just 4 days. Whale Panda also touched on Genesis' role, suggesting the company's in-kind sale of GBTC shares for BTC might explain the large outflows without corresponding market dumps. Thomas Farr, founder of Apollo, offered a bullish perspective. I know it is forbidden to post anything bullish on hashtag Bitcoin ETFs right now, but I'm going to do it anyway. GBTC selling is temporary. Financial advisors and institutions have barely begun buying. $100 billion inflows are coming next 1 to 2 years. Patience. Grayscale Bitcoin ETF holdings falling off a cliff, down 50% or about $20 billion at current BTC price. We going off a lot more increase in day than we made it in my sense this week. There must be days, weeks away from then. Slashing fees to stop the bleeding. BlackRock holdings expected to overtake Grayscale before the halving. Although the last few days have been rather disappointing, it is worth noting that the outflows are coming exclusively from Grayscale's GBTC, while other investors are holding on tight to their Bitcoin investments. This means that it is only a matter of time before Grayscale's outflows stop, and even small inflows from the other ETFs makes a big impact. Without the outflows. At press time, BTC traded at $66,203,000. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, note the article has been rewritten to create a more engaging storytelling format while maintaining the same information and data as the original article. The joke at the end is a play on the phrase holding on tight, and the fact that the price of Bitcoin is climbing. It is worth noting that the outflows are coming almost exclusively from Grayscale's GBTC, while other investors are holding on tight to their Bitcoin investments. This means that it is only a matter of time before Grayscale's outflows stop. And even small inflows from the other ETFs make a big impact without the outflows. The punchline being, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.